Greetings students, my name is Mr. Dominic. Today we'll be looking at physics in technology. This is an SS1 topic. We're going to be talking about the different units of measurement, talking about the industrial units of measurement, the normal, like the layman's units of measurement, and so on. But we'll be looking at different quantities. But the first one we'll be considering today is temperature. Like we said, temperature is the degree of what? Hotness or coldness of a body, or is the total kinetic energy contained in a body. And temperature can be measured with what? With an instrument called the thermometer. There are different units of measuring temperature. We have the word the degree Celsius, which I believe most of us are familiar with. We also have the word the Kelvin, and we also have the word the degree Fahrenheit. Different countries use different units of measurement. Different countries use different units of measurement. Like in Nigeria, we are more familiar with the word with the degree Celsius. But you go to a country like America, the UK, they are more familiar with what? With Kelvin. I go to a country like Germany, they are more familiar with what? With degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit. Now, it doesn't matter the unit in which you're giving your temperature in. Temperature can be converted at any time from one unit to another. It can be converted from what? From degree Celsius to Kelvin. It can be converted from Kelvin to degree Fahrenheit, and vice versa. So it doesn't matter the unit in which you were given your temperature, but you can convert it from one unit to another. Today we'll be looking at the different conversion of temperature, but first we'll be considering how to convert from what? From degree Celsius to Kelvin, or from Kelvin to back to degree Celsius. So we look at the first one, which is from degree Celsius to Kelvin. To convert a temperature from degree Celsius to Kelvin, all you need to do is what? Add plus 273 to that temperature in degree Celsius. For example, if you're given a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius, and if you want to convert it to Kelvin, all you need to do is what? Add 273 to what? To 10, which will give you what? 283 Kelvin. 283 Kelvin. Don't worry, I will give you an example. Secondly, if you want to convert from Kelvin to degree Celsius, all you need to do is take away 273 from your temperature in Kelvin. Take away 273 from your temperature in Kelvin. Like the example I just gave you now, that you added 273 to 10 degrees Celsius to give you 283 Kelvin. Now, if you're given that temperature in Kelvin and they ask you to convert it back to degrees Celsius, all you need to do is to take away 273 from Kelvin, from the temperature in Kelvin. You have the temperature to be 283 Kelvin. Now, take away 273 Kelvin. What will be left is what? 10 degrees Celsius. So those are the two units used for conversion between what? The two formulas used for conversion between degrees Celsius and your Kelvin. Thirdly, to convert from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. All you need to do is to multiply your temperature in degrees Celsius by 9. Multiply it by 9 first. Divide it by 5. The answer you get, you add it to what? To 32. I'll say it again. Your temperature in degrees Celsius. Now you're converting from degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Your temperatures in degrees Celsius, multiply it by 9, divide it by 5 before you add it to what? To 32. The last one is conversion from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. To convert from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, first, your temperature in Fahrenheit, you have to subtract it by what? By 32. Subtract 32 from it. When you subtract 32 from it, the answer you get, you multiply it by 5 and divide it by 9. If you do that, you should get your answer in what? In degree Celsius. Now, if you look at it, there's no formula connecting Fahrenheit and Kelvin. There's no formula connecting Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So if you're given your temperature in Fahrenheit and they ask you to convert it to what? To Kelvin, first you need to convert it to what? To degree Celsius. When you convert it to degree Celsius, then you add plus 273 to it to give your temperature in Kelvin. Or if they ask you to convert your temperature from Kelvin to degrees Fahrenheit, first you need to take away plus 273 from it. When you take away plus 273 from it, the remaining, what you have left, you use your formula for conversion from what? From degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit to get what you're looking for. So we're going to look at some examples here to give us a better understanding of what I've been talking about. Example, convert 26 degrees Celsius to Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Convert 26 degrees Celsius to Kelvin and Fahrenheit. So to convert to Kelvin, what do you need to do? I told you the formula is what? Your temperature in degrees Celsius plus what? 273. So your temperature in degrees Celsius, you add it to 273. 26 degrees Celsius plus 273 should give you what? 299 Kelvin. 299 Kelvin. As simple as that. That is how to convert the temperature from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Why to convert it from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit? The formula is what? 9/5 degrees Celsius plus what? 32. So what you need to do is what? Multiply your 26 by 9. When you multiply your 26 by 9, you divide what you get by 5. And what you get by 5, you add it to what? To 32. Now, 26 divided by 9. 26 divided by 9 should give you around 234. 234. Divided by 5. 234 divided by 5 should give you around 46.8. 46.8 plus 32 should give you what? 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is how to convert from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit and also from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. You can use the reverse case to get, in fact, you can choose to convert this back to degrees Celsius, or you can choose to convert this back to what? To Kelvin. So these are the two answers that we have for our example. The second quantity we're going to consider is volume. We know that the formula for volume is what? Length times breadth times height. Yes, length times breadth times height. Elementary. Other units, the other unit of volume is what? The cubic meter, which is meter cube. Other units used are the what? The liters. Like the water that you fetch in your house in jerry cans, you measure them in liters. That tells you the quantity, the volume of water in that particular container. Another unit for measuring volume is what? The cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter, that is centimeter cube. Now, these units can also be converted from one unit to the other. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 raised to the power of 3 centimeter cube. That is 1 meter cube is equal to 10,000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 10,000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 10,000 liters. That is 10 raised to the power of 3. Sorry, 1,000 liters, not 10,000. 1,000 liters, 10 raised to the power of 3. While 1,000 liters is equal to what? 1 million centimeter cube. 1,000 liters is equal to 1 million centimeter cube. So this is the unit of conversion of volume. 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000 liters, which is equal to what? 1 million centimeter cube. Centimeter cube? Yeah, centimeter cube. In industries, for example, petroleum industries, the units we use for measuring volume is a barrel. I believe we're familiar with this word barrel that we normally hear on the news every time, talking about the barrel being exported and the rest of them. Yes, as another unit for measuring volume. 1 barrel is equal to 0.159 meter cube. 1 barrel is equal to 0.159 meter cube, which is equal to 159 liters. Which is equal to 159 liters. 1 barrel is equal to 0.159 meter cube, which is equal to 159 liters. Therefore, 1 meter cube is equal to 6.29 barrel. 1 meter cube is equal to 6.29 barrel. So this is your assignment. You're going to convert 318 Kelvin to degrees Celsius first, then to degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to convert 318 Kelvin to degrees Celsius, then to degree what? Fahrenheit. Secondly, you're going to convert 15929 barrel. 15929 barrel to meter cube. 15929 barrel to meter cube. So please, this is my WhatsApp number as usual. Send your answer to my WhatsApp number or leave your answer in the comment box. If you have any question, you can also drop your question in the comment box. Have a nice day.